What is that? What is she rubbing on her face? Is she rubbing it to make her face more oily? Sukin. It's creamy. Is that? Oh, it's the thing that she's using under her eyes. What is that for? Is it to make it less wrinkly? Oh, she's not ticklish. What the? Imagine filming this. That was scary. She's drawing on her face now. I'd rather she drew a mustache. Who tries to make the eyebrows bigger? You might as well give yourself a monobrow. What's that? What is that thing? Yeah, she doesn't even know herself. Okay, what are you gonna do now? Why do you have to rub so many products into your face? Like, how smooth does your face need to be? Bruh. What? Goth. What? I don't get the point of this. What is she trying to prepare for? And now she's trying to pull her own eyelashes off. What? What? I think the only real difference is the eyelashes. I don't see anything else. What? Okay, this lipstick. Ew. What? She didn't even put it in her hair. We didn't even see it. What? What is this for? What's she preparing for? What's this makeup tutorial for? Oh my god. Sailor Moon. What's this? What? If that's happening, then you shouldn't be taking the makeup. Oh my god. Alright, it's done.
Thank you.